Hey everyone, Kyle here. Quick note before we get started. Today's video about how to use AI to make social media posts is sponsored by SEMrush. I'll tell you more about it on how it can help you make social media posts in just a bit. So now let's dive in. And once you're here in SEMrush, logged in into your account, you want to navigate on the left side. And from here, you can see the social media. And from here, you want to click on that and it would open this drop down menu. And we have a lot of choices right here. And what we want is social content AI. And this is a new feature by SEMrush. And from here, what we would need to provide is our website. In my case, it is onlazy.co. And next is a brief description about our website right here. So in my case, it would be a tutorials for social media. And click on find ideas once you are done. And now here are the results. From here, we would see the top news by category, and this is currently based in the US, but when you click on this one right here, you can always change where it is based if you would want to. And we have the video tutorials, software guidance, user engagement, customer retention, and so on. So this would vary depending on the niche that you are in with your business. And you can always click here on add new category if you would want to, if you think the category that you want is not here. And now let's scroll down and see the ideas by topic that was generated for us. And these are all relevant because these are based from the information that we have given SEMrush, which are the website link and the business description. So we just need to choose a topic right here that we would want to work with. So we have a lot. And I think I'm just going to go with this one right here, strategies for impactful keyword usage. Click on generate once you have chosen your topic. And from here, we can choose a social network that we would want to target. And this is just optional. So if you're not sure yet, then you can just leave this be. In my case, I'll just go for Facebook just for an example. And then from here, you can specify the tone of voice that you'd want. In my case, since this is about strategies for making impactful keyword usage, I think informative would be appropriate. So I'm just going to choose this. And you can also specify the post type. You can go for announcement, poll, question, promo, guide, story, and behind the scenes. I think guide will be the appropriate one. I'm going to click on this one and choose that. And then you can also use the business description that you have provided as additional information for the AI to work with. So I'm just going to leave this check since I would want that to be used and click on generate once you're done. And now it will now generate the post right here. So this is the caption. And let's just wait for it to finish, and there it is. So from here, we can directly edit it right here. So if there's something wrong or something we don't like, we can directly edit this right here. And then once you are good with this one right here, you may now proceed to adding hashtags, adding designs, adding video, or adding image right here, depending on what you would want. And you can also rephrase this. You can expand, shorten, and so on. Change the tone of voice or post type right here. So you can just edit everything right here. In this tutorial, we'll just be using the image one right here. We'll not be using the video. So I'm just going to click here on add image. And then you can choose the aspect ratio right here. In my case, I'll just go with square since this is the most compatible to all of the social networks right here. So click on square. And then choose the style. In my case, I think I would go for vibrant right here for this one, or I could also go for 3D. I think this would be very attractive, but yeah, I think I'll just go for 3D. And now it would now generate images based on the title or the topic that we have chosen, so we can just choose from here. So I think this is really good right here for the title that we have. So I think I'm just gonna go for this one right here. I think this is the most appropriate one. So I'm just gonna go click here, and then from here you would now want to send to poster right there. And now here we are, we can now post this. So first is you would need to select your social networks right here at the top on which social networks you would like this to be published. In my case, I only have TikTok, so that is my only choice. So I'm just gonna click on that and select. And if you have remembered earlier, I selected Facebook, but I don't have any Facebook account connected right here, so I have no choice but to settle with TikTok. And then from here, what you would need to do is you can edit this if you would want to, some finishing touches if you'd like. And if you're all good with that, then you can proceed here. You can add more image or videos right here. And then as you can see right here, this is scanned from the website that you have provided. So you can see some contents right here that you would like to add. So depending if you would like to add more, in my case, I'll just pass on this one and just settle with this. And then you can add more emojis, GIFs, and some other things right here, and even generate text or visuals using AI if you would want more. And then next is the post settings right here. So you can allow comments, duet, or stitch, or disclose post content right here. So this is only for TikTok, but if you have other social networks, then there might be a different settings right here. And then next is when you would like to publish this post. So you can post this right away. You can schedule it, or you could publish this regularly if you would want this to repeat. And then you can save this as a draft if you are not yet sure on when you will be publishing this content. And then once you're all good with this one, all that's left is to go here in the post preview, ensure that everything is good, and the calendar right here is when the content will be posted. Now that we have checked everything, we will now be able to click here on schedule, and it will now be published as we have directed it right here. So yeah, this is basically it on how you can use AI to make social media posts with social media content automation in SEMrush. Thank you for watching.